I have here a fluorescent lighting fixture that needs the starter ballast replaced. Two of the lamps do not start. Those are fresh bulbs. So let's get on top and change that electronic ballast. Several types of wattage lamps. You just have to read the label for what it's compatible with. Let's see what kind of space we got up here to work in. It's dark above the ceiling. Throw the flashlight in. This is my icon. I just got two screws to hold down the cover. Alright, is it actually turning? Coming up. I think it's just spinning. Let's try the other side. Yeah, this one's actually coming up. This one's unscrewing. The other one's loose. I might not have to take it off. Just slide it out. Finish that by hand. There we go. Put it to the side so I can find it. Right there. Alright, let's see if we can slide this cover off. Yeah. Alright, flip it over and see the goodies. Alright. So I only got one lamp lit down there. There's three lamps. So I got one ballast for one lamp and another ballast for two lamps. So the one with two lamps is the one I need to replace, which is this one, because it has more wires going to it, going to the lamp holders. This one I got to replace, but I need to de-energize it first. Yep, this fuse is good. I'll put it to the side. So this should be powered off now. When I take the fuse out of this one, the light should go out for the one lamp, which it did. So I just confirmed. Double check that I have the correct one de-energized. So we're not popping breakers and making extra work for myself. These are just push pin type. There's a button to release it. So I'm just disconnecting the wires. Just my load, my neutral, my ground is disconnected. And then disconnecting the wires to the lamp holders. Alright, and there's just two screws to hold the electronic ballast down. Pull those out. Usually just take one out and then I loosen the other and slide out. So I've harvested the bad starter ballast. Got my new one here. I'm running 28 watt lamps. So this one's running two 28 watt lamps. And I just verify that it's the right, again, the right starter for the lamps. So I don't have problems. Yep, it says there, two F28 T5s. So you can look right on the ballast if you haven't done this before. It'll actually tell you what lamps they're compatible with. Fluorescent type. Now it's just a matter of reversing what I did. This is the one screw I took out. Alright, it's locked in. Alright, put my ground wire in first. I push them in and I give them a tug out, make sure they're in good. Alright, put my neutral wire in. I don't know if you saw that spark, but that can happen on your neutral. Without the breaker being turned off. Okay. And my load wire, my black wire. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, I gave it a tug and it pulled right out. I'm always checking for a tight electrical connection. Alright, my lamp holders. In this situation, it's all nice and color coded. Yellow to yellow, red to red, blue to blue. This isn't the case today, but sometimes you won't be able to get the same electronic starter ballast. So then you just ignore the colors, and there's a wiring diagram schematic. You just have to follow that exactly, and then you won't have any issues. But you ignore the colors when you're doing that. Alright, I tugged on my wires, all in good. I go ahead and put that in line fuse. We should see this get a little brighter because those two lamps are going to start up. Which they did. And I'll carefully put this cover back on. Making sure I don't snag any wires. I like to wear gloves when I remember. It feels a lot easier on your fingers and hands. Alright, with my screwdriver. Did I leave it in here? Yeah. This insulation's in my way. No, it's not. Pick up the washer a little bit so I can slide the metal underneath the cover. Come on. Remember, this is the screw that wasn't turning out and lifting. Alright, so tuck all our wires in. When I screw down the cover, I don't want it sharp edges cutting wires and shorting it out. There we go. I think about gloves, I can't feel with my fingertips. I grab something small like a flat washer off a low surface. Alright. Start with my fingers. There we go. Alright. Alright, tighten it up, tighten it up. There we go. Go to the other side. from a dim room to a bright room. If you enjoy this content, go ahead and like and consider subscribing. And for more videos, take a look at these. See you on the next one.